step into the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features included adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, power door locks, power steering, traction control, rear-wheel drive, MP3 player, gasoline fuel, 4-wheel ABS and 8-cylinder engine. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.